What's up, everybody? Welcome to day number 2 of making our holiday special cocktail, our Jamaican Sorrel. Join me, we can show you all some things, how we do it right now. So remember last night, I told you guys, yesterday, we're gonna have that bad boy sit for 24 hours. So it's been 24 hours by my clock. So now it's time for us to go ahead and get this bad boy mixed up for you. So this is how it's gonna look after you have it sit overnight. You see that red? You see that red look right there? That's what we're looking for. And we want this sorrel to be soaked and nice. And we're about to go ahead and strain this bad boy and make some Jamaican sorrel with a little cocktail. You know what I say? Drink we can drink right now. All right. So right now all I have is my 2 strain. I have a large one and a small one. Just want to place it in a bowl, any size bowl that you have. And then we're gonna, of course, we have our red label wine. You can't go nowhere with that red label wine. And some Drankabat. If you don't know what that is, yeah, you're gonna learn today. Alright, now we have some of our sugar. Now sugar to taste. So some people like it sweet, some people don't. You can use the honey as well too. Alright, and then we have, like I said, I'm making a cocktail. So we have a couple little things we're gonna add to it. Some strawberries, some blueberries, and some pineapple. Alright, so the first line of business though, we're gonna go ahead and strain. You see that? You see the sorrel? You see that consistency, that red we're looking for? I'm gonna get that in the bowl. Now the reason why I'm double straining it right now, I don't want any extra trash into it. Alright? So we're trying to get all that juices out. Okay? So you're gonna have the juices from, as you can see, this is the cinnamon. We had to look at the cinnamon change to red. And then over here we of course we have the ginger, the fresh ginger. And we're just gonna strain that bad boy out. That's all we're looking for right there. Alright? Don't worry about the mess. It's clean up. It's not like curry where it stain your clothes. You know what I'm saying? Just want to pretty much mush out all the juice. And just use your hand. You ain't got to do nothing fancy. Just use your hand so you can get out all the juice. All the excess amount of juice in it. Don't worry. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright? So now we're going to go ahead and sweeten this and add our liquor. Our drinks. Alright? So then we have our Drankabat. Now, this is really strong. I want to show y'all the proof of this bad boy. So y'all know this is no joke right there. You see that? This ain't no joke. This ain't no joke. So you don't want too much. You understand? I mean, a cap full is good enough. More than good enough. That's all you need. You don't need no more than that. Anything more than that, you're gonna go sleep right away. You know what I'm saying? I got bed. And then this is red label wine. Okay? So it give it a nice texture. Smell it good. Remember, camera lady smell it. Smell it, Miss Camera Lady. Smell it? It smells good, right? So, this one, like I said, it's wine still. We're not put 2, we're gonna put like 2, 3. And it's Christmas holiday, we ain't going nowhere. We're gonna be home. It's quarantine, we locked in. So might as well we get a little bit excited right quick, you know what I mean? We're gonna put about like 4 in that bad boy. 4 and a little bit, and a change, alright? Then you get your spoon. Alright. You just want to combine everything. You want to stir it until the sugar evaporates or dissolves into it. And then that's it. Alright. Just want it to be dissolved into it. Okay? And then that's it. We're almost done there, but it ain't a cocktail yet. It ain't a cocktail till you put the final touches together. So you have to take a glass, a beautiful glass. Alright. This blueberry don't want to go in there. Alright, so you can put blueberry. You can put whatever fruits you want to put in there. But I'm going to go with blueberries on the bottom. Then we're going to take our pineapple. We're just going to put, we want some decoration. We want it to be pretty. Because, we like pretty things around here. We don't like ugly things around here. See me? We want some pretty things. Alright. Then, of course, we got to put some rocks. Now, the reason why I'm putting ice is because, again, it's not chilled. Alright, it's sitting on the stove top overnight. So I want to taste it for you guys right now. Tell you guys how this is. I can't sample it without you guys. No, don't try this at home, people. We're about to pour our sorrel in. Nice, guys. That's gonna do something nice right there. And that's it right there. That's our cocktail. Alright, So now the moment of truth is upon us. Let's try this thing. See if it tastes like mom's. If it don't taste like mom's, then we not do it right. You know, moms are calling me later on. You miss some ingredients. So, okay. Oh, that's good. I need some more ice though. Oh, I may got something on my nose. Hey, listen, you going in. We home right now. Oh, that's good. Who's camera lady? Want to try some? Yeah, I know you're behind the scenes, but they want to try some. That's the cocktail right there. Ooh. People, so that's how you make. That's how you make Jamaican sorrel for the holidays. All right. So, guys, I like to sit here and talk to y'all for a little bit longer, but to be truthful, it's the holidays. I'm about to drink this bad boy, eat some food, and get nice for the night. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. Happy holidays. You know, I know this year's been rough for all of us, but I hope some of my videos, you know, find you, how can I say, find you entertained. Actually, I hope my videos have you entertained. I hope you have tried some of my recipes. If you haven't tried any of my recipes, man, go back and watch a couple of the videos, man. Go check them out. I had fun making these videos for you, and I hope next year, when we do this bad boy once again, you know, you guys have fun with me, you know what I mean? And I hope you guys keep sharing my videos and telling people about my videos. And, well, that's about it. Well, thank you guys for watching. Happy holidays. Enjoy your holidays. Be safe. Kiss, love, and share, like, tell people about your people. And don't forget to leave a comment about this video. And if you want to try this one, the recipe is down below. Alright? Magita, it's holidays. I feel like being Santa right now. I'm going to give everybody everything. Happy holidays, people! Alright, we're gone. Hey, I'm on the Christmas tree.